Hello, as in the previous video we discussed a method that is the middle square method for the generation of random numbers. So in this video again we will discuss another method for the generation of random numbers, that is the linear congruent generator. Using this method we will generate a sequence of random numbers. This is the most widely used method that is used by the most of the random number generators. So how this method works, it generates a linear sequence of random numbers in between 0 to m-1. Okay, so this is the formula. According to this formula the sequence will be generated. Here gn is equal to a gn minus 1 plus c mod of m. Here the value of n is from 1 to up to so on. A is here a multiplier, c is a increment, and m is the modulus. So a choice of a, c and m is very important as it plays an important role in the generation of random numbers. Here we have a question. We need to generate a sequence of random numbers for the given values of a, c, m. That is, value of a is 1, c is 5, m is 13, and we have given the value of g0 is 1. So we will use this formula. We will insert the values into this and we will generate a sequence of random numbers. So first of all we will see how modulus work. For the 7 mod 5, the mod is 2. How we did this? We just divide 7 by 5 and the answer is 2, that is the remainder. For example, in this case you can see 113 mod 120 is equal to 113. Here there is no division because 113 is less than 120. So let's see here in this example the value of n is 1. Put the values here. We put the value of n is 1, value of a is 1, value of n is 1, value of c is 5, and value of m is 13. Then here 1 minus 1 is 0, that is g0, and the value of g0 is 1. Put the value here. Compute this. We got 6 mod 13. Again 6 is less than 13, so there is no division. Result is 6. Value of g1 is 6. Next we will compute the value for n equal to 2, that is g2. Put the values here. The value of n is 2. Here 2 minus 1 is 1, that is g1, and the value of g1 we calculated is 6. Put the value here and put all the values of a, c and m. We computed this. This is 11 mod 13. Again 11 is less than 13, so value is again 11. Here you can see we put the values and we got 16 mod 13. Here we divided this by 13 and we got the mod 3. Same we will do for n equal to 4. We got the value of here, it is g4. This is g4 and this is the value for g4. This is g5 is 0 and g6 is 5. Just put the values and compute this. For all we computed the values. We computed values up to g13. Why, I will explain in the next slide. Here you can see in the notes I explain everything how I calculated these values. So now the value of g13 is 1. Now if you will try to find out the next value for g14, the sequence will repeat itself. As you can see we got the value for g14 is 6 that we calculated for g1 before. So when your sequence will start repeating itself, you will stop generating random numbers. So you can see here we generated the sequence of random numbers using this method. This is the sequence of the random numbers we generated. When the sequence starts repeating itself, stop the method. Here we have a question for you. I give here the value of ACM is 2, 5, 13 and the G0 is 1, and use this formula, put the values and generate the sequence. Here this is the answer. This is the sequence that you will generate. Just take this method and generate all the values and send me in the group all the calculated values. If you have any question you can comment below, and thanks for watching.